Well, it's been super hot. Let's go check out that garden. See where we're at. Oh, hello there, Soma. Do you want to come check out a garden with me? It is hot out here today. But here's my ravaged cherry tree. I do have some cherries sort of growing. Some of them are in better shape than others. I might get a few off here. Here's my poor apple tree. Just utterly devastated. You can see all the destroyed leaves on the ground. But there's still some apples hanging in there. We'll see if they pull through. Something that really did well this year is my broccolis. Look at that. It's like I've harvested 3 yogurt containers already. I've still got more in there. Get my head out of the shot. And I've got cauliflowers too. They kind of have a purplish tint. They're quite delicious. I think I need to harvest these pretty soon. That's really good. My onions are doing there. Let's take a little walk around. My daisies are starting to bud up. Should have daisies pretty soon. Oh, that concrete is hot on my bare feet. Got some more of those broccolis over here. You can see I've harvested. Oh, there's the moth that's been killing things. I don't know what that is, but I don't know what to do about it. Maybe I can find some way of dealing with them. Here's the melon plants I pulled out of the compost. They did survive and they're beginning to thrive. My garlics are getting those little loopy seed pods up top. I guess you can saute those. I think I just want the seeds out of them. My tomatoes are doing phenomenal. You can see all these blooms happening. I think I'm going to have another bumper crop of tomatoes this year, especially with this heat. Just got to keep them watered down. What I really wanted to show you today, though, was those heirloom beans I planted the other day. Wow. I watered down the concrete to cool it down a bit back here, but it's already evaporating. There's my carrots that I still haven't thinned. They're doing pretty good. Getting pretty big in there. The undisclosed item is also doing well. We're getting some runaway shoots, which is great. I'll have to do a video just about those pretty soon. They're doing well. But yeah, check out these beans. I planted them 5 days ago, and just last night they all popped up. And they're doing terrific. They've already, instead of, like usually I get the horseshoes for a couple of days, and then maybe 1 leaf pops up, then 2, but wow. They love this heat, and almost every single one of them germinated, which is just incredible. And my 2 little strawberries seem to be doing well. The 2 that survived in this box that I over-fertilized. I think this one is, I think I saw there's a little shoot in there that's starting, which is great. Look at these guys, hey? These girls. They're already 3 feet tall. And I finally took those peach trees out of my compost and put them in these pots with this amazing sea soil, and they did great. They didn't even wilt. In fact, they're getting bigger already, which is great. If you live in the Coots and you want a peach tree or a plum tree, I need to give these a home. Look me up and I will hook you up. Anyway, thanks for checking out my little garden video. Until next time.